Welcome. If you're feeling a little bit of stiffness and tension in the upper back and your neck area, then this class is perfect for you. We'll be working on releasing that tension today, so let's get right to it. We'll begin in a seated position. Make sure that you're comfortable here in a cross-legged position. If needed, you could roll up a blanket and put it underneath your seat or sit up on a pillow, for instance. The most important thing is that the knees are a little bit below the hips for comfort. All right, so let's get to it. As you inhale, reach the arms up, elongating the upper body. Press the palms together, lean the head a little bit back to look up to the thumbs. And then exhale, release. And again, inhale, reach. And exhale, let go. Inhale, reach. And exhale, let go. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. And this time, bring the hands behind you, interlace the fingers behind your head. As you inhale, press the head back into your hands, reaching the elbows out to the sides. And then exhale, curl in, bring the elbows together and chin to the chest. Inhale, reach back, opening the elbows out to the sides. And then exhale, curl in, chin to chest. Inhale. And exhale. Keep finding your own depth here. Twice more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, come to neutral. Then release the bind, bring the hands behind your back, interlace the fingers once more. And then bring the hands to the left side of your waist. If this feels like too much, you could also just leave the hands on your knees or reach the right arm to the side as we do that head tilt. So wherever you are, inhale, sit up tall, and then exhale, lean the head to the left. So if the bind is too much, you'll be in this position. Keep breathing through the nose. Both shoulders relaxed. Inhale, come back to the center and switch the position of your hands as you exhale. Inhale once more, sit up tall, finding a variation that works, so you don't necessarily need to have the bind. And with the next exhale, lean the head to the right. And breathe. And then inhale, come back to the center, release, reach the arms out to the side with your next breath in. And then as you exhale, bring them forward, crossing the right arm under the left. Then bend the elbows and touch the backs of your hands together or clasp the hands together. So if none of these feels good, you could just bring the hands to your shoulders instead. So find what works. When you're here, then elevate the elbows, take the forearms away from the nose, and then start nodding with your head. Inhale, lift the chin a little bit up, and exhale, bring it down to the chest. Inhale, traveling up, and exhale, nodding down. And continue, find your own rhythm here. And then come back to neutral as you inhale, reach the arms out to the sides, and exhale, bring the left arm under, again finding the variation that works for you. And inhale, lift the chin, and exhale, nod down, chin to chest. And continue. And then come back to neutral. Inhale, reach the arms out to the sides. And then release and come to all fours position on your hands and your knees. And we'll try to isolate just the movement of the upper back. So as you inhale, push the floor away from you, doming the upper back so that the shoulder blades spread away from your spine. And then exhale, relax, allowing the shoulder blades to come towards your spine. Inhale, press up. And exhale, release. Inhale, press up. And exhale, release. And find your own rhythm and continue. And let's do one more. And then release, keep the big toes and knees together, and then sit the hips back towards your heels, stretching the arms forwards, and bring the forehead to the mat. And you could stay here or bend the elbows, pressing the palms together, fingers pointing to the ceiling, and breathe. And then release. And that's it for today. I hope you found it helpful. Please do let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.